Hey, it's Dustin, and in this video I'm going to show you a really cool little piece of software that's going to help you and your business get more positive reviews on Google, Yelp, and Facebook. So stick with me. Okay, so if you're a local business owner, then you understand the importance of having online positive reviews on Google, Yelp, and Facebook for your business. New prospective customers actually go to those websites and they read the positive reviews when they're deciding if they want to do business with you or not. But you also know the struggle that it is to be able to get your happy customers to actually fill out those reviews, because sometimes it's just confusing and it takes time. And so I'm going to show you a little tool called Rex that I've used in our salon that has dramatically increased the amount of positive reviews that we've got in our salon, just because it's so easy to use. It's an inexpensive piece of online software that sends a text message to your client, and with a couple of clicks of the button, they can actually fill out an online review, and it gets on your Google My Business page, your Yelp page, or your Facebook page. So I'm going to go over to the computer, I'm going to show you how it works, but if after watching this demonstration you're interested in using Rex in your business, then when you go to checkout using the link below, just put 9design, the number 9, DESIGN, in the promo code section, and that'll give you 15% off of your subscription. So let's go over to the computer and I'll show you how it works. Okay, here we are on the Rex dashboard, and so this is what it looks like. It's really simple to use. It says that I've sent out 12, but these have all been to myself, just testing out the app and how it works. So I'm going to show you how this works on my own phone. It's really simple. All you do once you've logged in to your account is enter a client's name here. So I'm going to put Dustin, and then I'm going to put my phone number down, and then I'm going to click send text. So let's head over to my phone and I'll show you what this looks like to the user. Okay, so the text message just came through on my phone. So as you can see there in the text message, you can input your logo so that your brand is recognized right away in the text message, and just gives a simple little message that says, Dustin, did you love your experience at the 9 Salon? And you can choose a yes link or a no link. Let's just click the yes link and I'll show you what it looks like. It gives you 3 options to post a review: Yelp, Google+, and Facebook. And let me just mention real quick that there are a couple other ones that you can add to those if you want. If you're a real estate agent, there's the ability to add a Zillow reviews link or a LinkedIn link. So for the purposes of my business, Yelp, Google, and Facebook are the ones that we use the most, and we get the most new clients from, and so that's where we want our reviews to be. So let me just click the Yelp button and I'll show you what this looks like. So as you can see there, right in the very front, you can see tap a star to write your review. You just click that, the user can post their review and they'll be on their way. It's posted automatically. Let's try the Google Plus one. This is the one that I find the most important. And once you click it, it just takes you to the Google Plus page, and you can type in 5 stars, describe your experience, and click post. I'm not going to click post for this because this is my business and I don't want to review my own business. That would look a little shady. As you can see, it's incredibly easy for your clients to post reviews to your Google Plus page or your Yelp page or your Facebook page with just 2 clicks, really. And so I think that the convenience of this is going to help you get a lot of new reviews. Okay, let's go back to the text message, and in the hypothetical unlikely situation that somebody didn't have a great experience at your business, they will click the no link, and that will not let them fill out a negative review. It'll take them to a survey. This is more of a feedback thing, and they can tell you what went wrong. Let's say customer service, and they can give you feedback in this field down here about what would make their experience better at your salon. So this avoids negative reviews, but it also gives them the opportunity to give you feedback, which is also a great thing for customer service. So let's go back to the computer screen real quick. I want to show you just one more thing. Okay, so I just wanted to show you at the time of this recording, before we've used the Rex application, we have 7 reviews on Yelp and we have 20 reviews on Google. So 20 reviews is pretty good. It's actually the most reviews of any other hair salon in our city. But We've been in business for over 5 years, so it's taken 5 years to accumulate 20 positive reviews the old-fashioned way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Rex application over the next couple weeks, and I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you how many more reviews we've got just in 2 weeks, and I'll let you know what happens, so stay tuned. Okay, it has been about a month since we started using Rex, and after a month we have tacked on an additional 10 reviews. We had 20 a month ago, and now we have 30 positive reviews, 5-star reviews, and so I will just say, just from this experiment, that I would highly recommend this software. The simplicity of the Rex software is awesome. It took us 5 years in business to get our first 20 reviews, and the last month we got 10 additional reviews. So we're on pace to get 120 reviews for the entire year. If we were to continue on this pace, we would absolutely be dominating our online reputation would be dominating that of other salons in our area. So whether you're a salon or a different local business, I highly recommend Rex as a unit to be able to get positive reviews for your business. We know that positive reviews are a ranking factor in the Google 3-pack, and so if you get more positive reviews, you're going to be more likely to rank in the 3-pack, which means more people are going to find you online. They're going to click your website. More clicks equals more phone calls, which equals more business and higher profits. So that is my review and test for the Rex application. If you would like to try it out for yourself, go ahead and click that link right below this video, and that'll take you to their website. You can sign up and test it out and give it a try. They have some really competitive pricing. I think that they're priced really reasonably. So go ahead and click that link right below this video and give them a try and make today extraordinary.